2020 Toyota Tacoma, 6-cylinder, Pro X6, I think, or whatever it's called. Toyota Tacoma. What we got done on it for you guys. Got factory converters. These come with 4. 2 on the manifold, 2 secondaries, there and there. Then it wires into a single over here, so you can actually true dual these, as you guys can see if you want to. Right there. Can become true dual Tacoma. And what we got done on it, he wanted a nice deep growl, like a bite, instead of the stock muffler, but he didn't want it obnoxious. So we went ahead and put a Black Widow Widowmaker, 10-inch. Part number BW0013-2. 2.5-inch inlet, 2.5-inch outlet right there. Added a sleeve to it to make it fit because the original muffler is huge. Then we've put a 4-inch double wall tip, as you guys can see right there. Came out really nice, really cleanly done as usual. Toyota Tacoma V6 4x4. There's the old muffler that we took off. Like always, guys, please comment, like, and subscribe. Is that it? I feel like it. It's perfect. Black Widowmaker, and it's stick shift, which is even better. TRD 4x4. Here's sound decibels. 107. Oh, that sounds so good. Nice thing about Black Widow, no rasp. It's just smooth. TRD 4x4 off-road. Toyota Tacoma. There it is. Let me know what you guys think. Beast mode! Larry's the man. Master plan. I hope you guys enjoy it. It sounds really good. There's the UPS guy. We're still trying to convince him to true duel it. He won't do it.